There are about 14,000 species of ants that live all over the world. Many of them have amazing abilities like inflicting the strongest bites, shooting dangerous acid, and so on. Recently, scientists discovered an equally impressive skill in Indian ants. They can change the size of their brains. At a certain moment, their brain can become tiny and then regain its normal size. In this amazing process, the individuals completely change their role in the colony, and all this has been proven in a scientific experiment. In this article, we will learn in detail what these ants are and why they need such an unusual ability. It is worth noting that they are not the only animals capable of changing the size of their brains. Jumping ants from India, the ability to adjust the volume of the brain was discovered in ants of the species Harpagnathos saltator, which inhabit the territory of India. Previously, they were known only for the ability to make jumps up to 2 meters high and up to 10 centimeters long. The body length of these creatures usually does not exceed 10 millimeters. Females are reddish in color, while males are darker in color. They are active predators, and the greatest activity they demonstrate in the morning and afternoon. In the evening and at night, the insects rest. Previously, these ants were known only for their ability to jump. As in colonies of other ants, they have a queen who gives off offspring. As a rule, the death of the main female ant leads to the disappearance of the entire group of ants. But Indian ants can prevent this by choosing a new queen from among the working individuals. In the course of a peculiar coronation, the common females begin to poke each other with scuts, the name given to the antennae located on the insects' heads. It is unknown exactly how, but as a result of this duel, an individual is determined, with whom very strange processes subsequently occur. In essence, they are just working individuals that gain the ability to mate. Colonies without a real queen are commonly referred to as gamergate colonies. How do ants survive? As soon as a worker becomes a queen, her anatomy changes. Her brain volume is reduced by as much as 19%, but her ovaries are enlarged. The new queen stops producing venom and, in case of danger, she will never attack and hurries to hide somewhere. All these complex processes take place just to save the colony from death. It is now clear how ants have managed to survive for millions of years. They are simply very united. Queen ants are larger than workers. In an experiment, scientists found that a shrunken ant brain can regain its former shape. In the scientific work, the researchers removed several working individuals from the colony and gave them the opportunity to choose a new queen. When she emerged and was fully formed, the scientists returned her back to the colony, which already had a queen. After about 8 weeks, the false queen returned to her former appearance. Her brain was larger again, her ovaries had shrunk, and her character was combative again. The discovery shows how malleable living organisms can be. Scientists had previously known that some songbirds have larger brains in the spring and smaller brains at other times of the year. Brain shrinkage has also been seen in hibernating animals like hamsters. But in invertebrate creatures, this ability has been observed for the first time.